So today I'm going to show you the new Afterpay with Cash App feature. So we're actually here on the homepage of our Cash App account on our iPhone. You can see it with the dollar sign highlighted. So what we need to do is go over to our account right over here on the left-hand side. We have currently $30 in here, but if you have no money in here, it's usually the bank icon. Either way, go ahead and click on the leftmost icon. And this is going to take you to your money tab right over here. And all we're going to do is continue to scroll down on this page. And if we keep going down over here, we're going to get to a section that's called More for You. Now, there's typically the borrow feature, but what we actually want to look for now is this new Afterpay. Has the little arrows pointing left and right, which I believe is the Afterpay logo here for us. And I just want to show you how this kind of works out for you. So we're going to go ahead and click on Start. So right over here, you can see where it says Pay over time with Afterpay. Now, of course, there are some stipulations in what you need to do. There are no credit checks on this. Now, what's currently available for us with this $50 is not anything we chose. It just showed up on our account here for us. I assume possibly over time, this amount can increase either by how we use our Cash App account and whatnot, but we'll see over time how this all works out. So you can see it says switch to Afterpay. Currently it says no eligible transactions, but I'm going to click on this here just to show you what it's going to need for this transaction to go through. So here it's going to show us what we need to switch our recent transactions to Afterpay. So the first thing is you had to have used your Cash App card. So that physical Cash App account card, or if it's on your Apple Wallet or your Google Wallet, that'll also work as well. And right over here, you can see it has to be between $25 and $50, and it has to be within the last 30 days, and it has to have fully processed, which means it can take a couple of days to have shown up on this account. So if you did it today, it might take a day or two later to show up, and then you just come check back over here, and it'll let you go through that process to go ahead and switch it over to your Afterpay account, and then have it split that charge into multiple payments. Now, like I mentioned earlier, it is going to need you to use your Cash App card. And if you don't have a Cash App card, I got you covered. Check out our video right over here on screen to learn how to order your free Cash App debit card.